Today we're going to be doing eye makeup to make your eyes look bigger. And we're going to be working out of the new palette I got for Christmas called Gold Seeker from Morphe. And so we'll just start out. I'm going to go into this bottom color called Make Your Cake. And I'm just going to cover the whole lid with this one. And then I'm going to go into the second color, this brown. And I'm just going to create kind of a triangle effect on the outer corner. Now let's go underneath with that a little bit. Then I'm going to go into the darkest color in the palette. And I'm going to darken that corner. And go under. And I'm going to pick up the brush I used for the middle brown color, pick up a little more of that, and just blend. And I'm just going to wipe this brush off with a clean towel. And I'm going to continue blending. I'm going to take this brush and clean up the underneath. And use the little side to blend some more. And just wipe your brushes off on your clean towel every once in a while. Make sure it's clean and you got any of that dark pigment off so that you can blend your eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to use the e.l.f. No Budge retractable liner. And just go underneath and pull that liner out on the end. We want to elongate the eye. And I'm going to go in with the Flash Cat Eye. This is L'Oreal. And I'm just going to go over the top from the inner corner all the way out. Just want to keep the line thin at the inner corner, like close to the eye. And then on the outside, just pull it up and wing it. Then I'm going to go under, just on the corners. And then repeat on the other side. If it's a little bit off, you can just come over to the other side and fix. Try to even them out. Then I'm going to go in with the Luminous Carbon Black mascara. And I like to go through with one coat, then go all the way around and go back again, because the mascara needs to dry a little bit to be able to hold onto more mascara. When you put the black mascara on, it just makes the eyes pop, your eye color. And I like that dramatic effect. And I think that's enough. So now I'm going to do a half lash, and I just used some of those eyelashes from Amazon and I just cut them, and I'm just using the Duo formaldehyde free and latex free glue. Seems to be the least irritating of the glues. Then I'm going to blow dry. That just makes the eyelashes stick immediately. So when I put the eyelash on today, I'm going to wing it out like I'm following the line of that cat eye. Just doing that to both sides. And that just creates the illusion of having lashes that are going all the way out. Then I'm going to take the Infallible, it's a white eyeliner, and I'm just going to do the insides. And just wipe it off in between eyes. With this white liner, you can just pull it on out into the inner corner. And then when you get to the edge, you can go out just a little bit there. I'm going to go back in with my e.l.f. black retractable liner and make that lift it a little bit more. You want your eyes to look really big, you can go in with your liquid liner and draw them in a little more. And so I think that that creates an effect of having very large eyes. And that's the look.